You ever pour your heart and soul into a game for 6 months straight, only for it to make 37 bucks and one pity download from your mom? Yeah, welcome to indie game dev. It's not a dream, it's a fucking grind. But weirdly enough, I love it. And by the end of this video, if you're still breathing, through all the trauma, you just might learn to love it too. Let's talk about why 95% of indie devs never make it full time. It's not because they suck. It's not because they didn't learn Unity or Godot or C#. It's because this shit is hard. Mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Game dev is like getting cigarettes put out on your arm by a stranger and then asking that stranger if he needs a light. You'll publish your game, nobody will care. You'll market it and get it ghosted harder than a Tinder date with no profile pic. You'll get a 1-star review from a dude who didn't even open your tutorial. You'll post on Reddit and get downvoted into the shadow realm. Your Discord will be more dead than MySpace. And you'll start wondering, am I just screaming into a pixelated toilet bowl? Yes, you are. Let me keep it real with you. I've been punched in the face so many times by this industry, my ego should have a fucking concussion. I've made games that have flopped so hard, I questioned whether the App Store was broken. I've wasted thousands of dollars, hundreds of hours, and more tears than I'm comfortable admitting in public. There were times I told myself, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. And then the next day, I'd be back on the grind like, okay, well, maybe if I just tweak this monetization loop and add a new hook, because that's what this takes. Not motivation, not talent, but a special kind of insanity. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Anyone can learn how to code. Anyone can learn how to design a UI or balance a game loop. But when the shit hits the fan, and it will, what the hell are you gonna do? You're gonna quit, or you're gonna wipe the blood off your lip and say, is that all you got? And go again. Mental toughness is the only skill that separates the 5% from the other 95%. It's not on YouTube, not in a GDC talk, and I sure as hell can't teach this to you. It comes from getting punched in the face over and over again and deciding, yep, I like that. Here's how you can start building that mental callus today. Number 1, reframe failure. Every flop is a feature, every bug is a lesson, and every dead project is experience. You're not failing, you're farming pain like it's fucking gold. Number 2, detach your identity. You are not your game. You are not your App Store downloads. You're just a weirdo making magic out of pixels and caffeine. Number 3, laugh at the chaos. Seriously, when your build crashes or Apple rejects your game for the 4th time for metadata inconsistencies, just say, of course, why wouldn't they? Laugh, adjust, and move on. Because crying is for later, preferably in the shower with music. Number 4, surround yourself with crazy bastards like you. Join Discords, follow other devs, share memes, not to network, to realize you're not alone in this glorified masochism we call a career path. Eventually, something clicks. One day, you release a game and people play. Someone leaves a 5-star review and says, this game made my day. You make your first $1,000, then $10,000, then you realize all those punches, they didn't break you, they built you. You didn't become successful in spite of the struggle. You became successful because of it. So yeah, game dev is like getting punched in the face. And if that makes you flinch, then this might not be for you. If it makes you clench your jaw and say, fuck it, hit me again, then welcome to the club. To be honest, we're all a little broken, but damn, we build some cool games. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Comment down below with your biggest struggles in game dev. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.